How to log into Milestone Credit Card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to learn about logging into the Milestone Credit Card online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any web browser in your mobile device or your computer. Then search for Milestone Credit Card in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Now from this page, you're supposed to click on the initial link that is indicating the home page of Milestone Gold MasterCard. And on the official page of Milestone, locate the login portal in the right side of the screen that says log in to our secure server. And here on this page, you're supposed to enter the correct form of your username in the first box, followed by your password. After you have entered the correct form of your credentials, you can simply click on login and log into your Milestone Credit Card online account. But if you have not registered to Milestone yet, you can just simply go to register your account option. And here on this page, if you already have your 16-digit card number, you can click on this yes, I have my card number. Otherwise, you're supposed to click on no, I do not have my card number. Then provide your details such as your last name, your zip code, and your date of birth and your social security number, and continue to next step and follow the on-screen instructions. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this link over here, and from this page provide your username, your last four digits of your card, correct form of your date of birth, your social security number, and reset your password. For the username, give your 16-digit account number, enter over here, and also the date of your birth and your social security number, and click on request username. By this method, you can simply easily go and retrieve or reset your username or your password. So once all the details are entered correctly, you will be able to access your Milestone Credit Card online account, and you can manage your account from the dashboard. So this was all about it. This is how you can log into your Milestone Credit Card online account. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.